babes, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today we are doing a marble and gold dollar store clock makeover. So if you're watching this video, I hope that means you're just as obsessed with the whole golden marble aesthetic as I am, because I've clearly been on a golden marble kick lately. And I actually used this hack on a dollar store clock I got for a few bucks at the 99-cent store to match my DIY accent table I made to totally transform the room into this elegant marble and gold theme for super cheap. I love the way it looks, and if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos. So this clock literally takes no time to make, so we start by taking it apart, and as always, I'll leave all the details for you guys down below in the description. But I want to know, do you like kind of the classy chic look of the marble backing with no numbers? Or would you like to add like number stickers on top to tell the time? But let's be real, like who doesn't carry their cell phone on them 24/7 with the digital time on it anyway? So leave me a comment down below letting me know, do you like the clock with no numbers more as like decoration? Or would you like the clock if it had numbers to be able to tell the time easier? Okay, so for the clock, you just need a plastic wall clock. I got this for a few bucks at the dollar store because I thought it had a really pretty frame to it, so it would be perfect. So you're just going to take it all apart, remove everything in the hands of the clock, and then I went ahead and traced the face of the clock on a piece of white paper and cut that out, and just make sure it fits over the entire face because we're going to transfer that to a piece of marble contact paper to cover the face of the clock later. Then the fun part, take the clock and spray paint it gold or whatever color you like, and once that dries, you can go ahead and peel the marble contact paper off and place it right over the face of the clock. Then go ahead and put everything back together, and ta-da! There it is, basically done. I just went ahead and screwed on the back, added a battery, and that's it. How gorgeous did this turn out? Then we get to mount it to the wall. You can hang it or just use a little Velcro command strip like I did, and that's it. It totally completes the room and looks so fab and gorgeous. I love the way it turned out. I don't think anybody would ever know this is like a clock from the 99-cent store. I think it looks really elegant and fancy and expensive, and I think it pairs so perfectly with my DIY golden marble accent table that I paired it with for a complete set to really finish off the look. So if you guys give this a try, be sure to go follow me on social media at @TheLindsay and tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations, or share this video with somebody who you know would totally love this DIY project. And of course, if you guys love this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up so I know to make more videos just like it, and then go check out my DIY golden marble accent table to go with it, because if you guys love this video, you're gonna love that one too. So there you have my DIY marble and gold wall clock. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. You guys know I am so into the gold marble aesthetic, so I went to the 99-cent store, got a cheap little clock, and totally transformed it into this gorgeous chic gold and marble wall clock. I love how it turned out. Check out this week's YouTube video to learn how to make it.